heavy winds that we had, it toppled straight down and over. It's been a chore cleaning this up right now. The tractor, our little Kubota tractor, will not move any of this material. It moved all the smaller stuff, but this big stuff back here, the Dozer's having to push everything up and out of the bottoms down here, because this is the area where we have all the runoff from the fields that go down into the pond. And if you haven't watched that last pond video, you might want to go ahead and get in there and look at it. Back here behind me is where we're working on right now, filling in all that washout that we had from the torrential downpours. We're trying to fill in the big ditch that runs down through this valley. Therefore, it does not keep running back into the pond and eating away the dam. You see the pond in the background. There's not much left in there. The dam is still busted. It's going to be busted for a while. So right now we're just kind of trying to fix this area in here behind us. Trying to get it leveled out to where it's not such a big valley, to where we have thousands of gallons of rain coming down every hour. So that is exactly what we're doing today. Really nothing else. We've been doing quite a few projects here on the farm. That's on YouTube right now, and you may want to check it out. It's where we took and dug out this whole area and moved all that dirt up over here where Christian's working. Now that dirt was piled probably 20 feet high and probably 20 feet wide. And I'm going to say from where the Dozer is right now, all the way down to here. It was all piled up, and we have been pushing and spreading that dirt into this big gully that comes down here. It's a big gully that did wash out with this last rain, and that is why with the washout, the pond dam busted and overflowed. You can see down there the dam, it's gone. So this is one of the little projects that we think will help with the washout, trying to get this gully filled in to where it's not so bad, and trying to level it out some. Once we get it filled in, we're going to go ahead and get some rock put down to where we see where the wash is, or the stream that it makes down through here, and that way it helps with elimination of the erosion. Basically, that's all we're doing right now, is moving all the rest of this dirt down here behind me and compacting it down in the gully to help with runoff and the erosion that comes down here through that valley. So there's several splits through here, but this is probably the worst one because it comes off the highway and off of the farmer's field and comes down through here. It's a natural gully.